Hey guys, we have UP4908 SC70M on my HO scale train set, pulling a very, very long train, so here we go. Alright, delivered that, and then that of 4908, UP4908 train, so yeah, very nice to at least get that done, so let's do it, and peace out.